And you don't know just what I've been through, how I've been ostracized and criticizing. People misuse me, they abuse me, and there many times I felt so depressed, and my life full of stress. And every time I seem to pray, it seemed like God was so far away. I feel like I've been all alone. At times of mine, feel like it was gone, and felt like hell was so far away. Felt like hope didn't amount to anything. I just made that up, y'all. But this is Antonio Masala Miller. Once again, those of you who true Christians, keep me in your prayers. I don't want any false prophets, don't want any false pastors, just true Christians that are not judgmental, that are not condemning me, but that would pray for me, that would truly have the love of God, and that would agree with me and pray that my voice would get higher, lighter than it ever been before. But just as I mentioned before, it sounded like Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey. People were trying to curse my voice to be deep and low and heavy. And, you know, I don't like no deep, heavy, low voice. God said He'll give me my heart desire, not what other people desire against me, or not what other people opinion up against me. He said He would give me my heart's desire. And I pray that it be so good that it even be better than what Lucifer's voice ever been. As long as I don't have the spirit of pride, as long as God gets the full glory. Because it's not about me, it's about glorifying God. Because, you know, He gave me the gift in the first place to glorify Him. But the devil trying to take my gift away where I can't glorify Him. Because, you know, I found it a whole lot better than this before.